Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got the Sangoma behind us. Sadly, this might be the last time you guys are gonna see this car on the channel. So today the car is actually finally done. Everything is sorted. We've just done the complete cooling system on the car. New radiator, new water pipes, new pump. Everything sorted. We've put the new sunshade in for the sunroof. The sound is connected. The car is running nice. We already took it for alignment. So yeah, today we're actually gonna take a cruise with this car. The boys there in Centurion have actually bought a few nice cars, so we're gonna go there, check out what they've bought, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy the last video of the Sangoma, guys. So Kel, do you want to show us around what you've got here?
Okay, we can walk around, you talk them through the car, about the bonnet and stuff.
So this is the new suspect, E30 325, the original car. It's a Auto, eh?
Auto 325, 88 model, sorry. Sunroof, came with the blue, standard blue interior.
Yeah, interior is still fresh.
It's not the best, it's been tampered with, you can see the dash scratches, you know.
Yeah.
So it's pretty much standard, everything works. All the windows work, sunroof works. You can have a look at the wood lining in the car. It still looks pretty decent.
You were going on about your wood lining. You were saying it's so fresh.
It is very fresh, so I was happy about that, you know.
Nice and clean.
Car had some spray work done to it. Pop the wood done.
Let's switch.
Yeah.
Fresh.
It's okay. It's not too bad.
Original. Running on airflow meter.
Only this cut they put here, I don't know what's this. See, we'll take this, get rid of that.
And you can get this from
You can
BM.
have this piece as a peace offering.
You can get this thing from BM.
I mean, looks pretty much OEM on my side too.
Yeah. Just need
this one also has some work. Obviously, the old car, you know, it was a one owner, immaculately kept car, but it's pretty decent for its age,
Yo, and the M3, yo, people, no one saw the M3 yet, the E46.
This new car.
E46 M3 manual. The sky is beautiful. You see inside, it's like nobody ever sat inside this car. What's the mileage like?
It's on 275.
275.
Unspun, no subframe cracks, we checked, you know. Everything still looks pretty decent. If you look under the car, it's still pretty clean, you know. Also a shit car, but a good car, you know.
Have you done your bearings though?
I haven't done bearings. I don't have money for bearings, but I shall be saving soon.
We're gonna do your bearings.
Yeah.
Soon we're gonna do the bearings.
Then you know, some aids will come our way, you know.
Only if you promise you're gonna spin it for us.
Yeah, definitely. You're gonna be doing the spinning, you know.
So what's done to this car? Nothing.
Stock standard.
Stock
standard. I think they just removed the center cats on it. That's pretty much about it.
Yeah, we're gonna go for it, right?
Yeah, we will. Pop the hood, let them see.
Pop the hood, son. Look at this. This thing is so clean, eh?
Manual, the best part about it, you know? Yeah, sorry guys, we have some new guys.
I'm very
How much do you buy?
Check from the front end. The Sangoma.
Yes. Smart, isn't it? I don't know if before. Yes. It's very nice. Yeah.
Keep you entertained, you know?
But this one, I can't speak with it.
You can spend with it, man. Don't worry.
I can just put it on a trailer and after that I just put it. When I get there, just for display.
It's for sale, man. You can have it.
It's very nice. Very, very nice. Clean. Yeah. Too much, ne?
This is a nice car.
Too much. It's even nicer than that one.
2.8, I can pay for it.
Serious. Yeah. So the painting is, did you say paint it, ne?
Yeah, it's got resprayed, but
Go
it's
for two.
original color.
Original color.
Yeah.
Okay. But it's so nice. The person who painted this car, he knows how to paint.
Yeah.
He knows. Yes. Yeah.
It's not rolling.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can go back to this car. Okay, so but now we've been through this car. Okay, so it's original 46, but we're gonna start it up and
Yeah.
take it for a spin.
Do some startups there.
Yeah.
Kini will get us the key there if he doesn't mind. He looks so depressed.
Yeah. It still smells like a PM from 2000. Still sounds healthy. And it's still got the telephone in it. Let's let it warm up for a little bit. And then this 36, you said it's for sale.
Oh yeah, the 36 is for sale. It's actually a friend's car of mine. We are just busy putting a new front windscreen in the car. We had one of the cars we were stripping in. So yeah, we also supplied the exhaust for this car. It came from one of the yellow convertibles we were stripping. If anyone's keen on the car, let us know. We'll get a few shots put it off the car in.
Yeah.
Hit Kinsey up.
M-Rain interior.
M-Rain interior. I mean, yeah, we'll try and help you out as much as with the car as we can. It's an old car, but yeah, it's a cool car, you know?
Yeah, but you should show them what's in the back there. The E36 himself.
Yeah, stock is a bit low now, you know?
So for those of you that don't know, this is Mr. E36 Calvin, and yeah, Calvin strips E36s here. As you can see, there's a few cars here. You can tell them what you've got, what you're stripping.
Yeah. So for now, we don't have much stock available, but we strip E36s, 2 doors, 4 doors, M3s, you know. So we're the go-to guys for E36 parts. Come to us. We're based in Centurion. We'll Kinsey up with all of his parts that he needs. Majority of the E36 parts he needs. Yeah.
And then motor, what this car's got a 325.
It's a 325 M50 motor, stripping for spares.
How much?
The motors usually go for about 10 to 15, 325 and 328 motors I get.
And then tell me the motors that people buy. Do they have to overhaul the motors, or
it depends on the condition of the engine, you know, and then the price I say that. So some will need TLC, you know, it's got high mileage. It's not a fresh engine, you know. If you want a brand new engine, go to BMW.
Yeah. Well, anyways, on to another topic. the Sangoma is for sale now.
Yeah, disappointing, but I'm sure we can build something better than that.
We definitely. I mean, we've got the donor car over here.
Yeah, a 2-door will do wonders, you know.
I'm telling you. So, for those of you that said that we're selling the Sangoma, we've got this complete car here, a complete donor. we've got the drivetrain, we've got two-door Recaros, we've got an M-Tech steering, slip turf and everything. So we want to build this car, the full complete build on this channel. The first step is obviously to find a nice body, a nice two-door body. We're saying two-door body. We've got two-door Recaros
with a sunroof, you know.
Oh yeah,
Or even a nice cabrio.
Yeah, a cabrio will be like that.
That red one for sale at the moment, the 316, not a bad base to start.
Right. Yeah, but we just need the body. I mean, everything is fine.
You know,
with this car. This car you can start it now.
Exactly, yeah.
So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna build this car completely on the channel. You guys are gonna be involved. You tell us what color, what body. If you guys can find us some nice bodies for sale, that would be great.
Yeah, hook us up.
Hook us up, guys.
If you have any IS bodies lying around, we're willing to grab them. But I know
Any
I'm just
IS,
asking
anything
for a
IS.
unicorn now.
Rolling. Yeah. So guys, it's a sad day here on the channel today. We're saying goodbye to the Sangoma. She's officially been sold. So yeah, so hopefully the new owner is gonna look after her. He's already such a big BM fan. So yeah, she's off to a new home. And yeah, if you guys see her around, don't forget to show the love. Yeah. Thanks, Cal, for showing us around. Showing us your car.
Always, bro.
We'll definitely see more of what's happening here at Cal's shop. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you like what you saw, please hit a like. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications for the next videos. And yeah, peace.
Yeah, cool day.